The change happened in a single second. One moment, Robert was standing in his clean science lab. He was wearing his white lab coat, and his safety goggles were sitting on top of his head. He was just about to check on a science experiment. The next second, pop. His ears felt funny, like he was going up a high mountain in a car. Suddenly, he wasn't in his lab anymore. His boots sank into soft, wet, green moss. Robert blinked. The bright lights of his school lab were gone. Instead, he was standing in a strange, magical forest. The trees looked like giant willows, but their leaves glowed with a soft, silver light. The sky above wasn't blue. It was a beautiful shade of dark purple.
Where am I?
Robert was a scientist, so he knew the best thing to do was to stay calm and check his pockets. He pulled out a pencil, a little notebook, and a plastic squeeze bottle filled with rubbing alcohol. He also had his metal spark lighter, the kind science teachers use to start small campfires. Suddenly, the bushes rustled. A strange creature stepped out into the light. Robert gasped. It looked like a big wolf, but it wasn't covered in fur. It was covered in shiny, sharp rocks that looked like glass crystals. Every time it walked, it made a clink, clink, clink sound. Strangest of all, its eyes glowed like blue light bulbs. The crystal wolf looked at Robert and growled. When it opened its mouth, a puff of purple mist floated out. The wolf crouched down. It was getting ready to jump right at him. Robert couldn't outrun a wolf. He had to use science, and he had to do it fast. He noticed the purple mist floating around the wolf's mouth.
That purple mist looks like a special gas. If I add a little bit of fuel and a tiny spark, I can make a big flash.
The wolf leaped into the air, flying straight toward him. Robert didn't run. He held up his plastic bottle and squeezed it as hard as he could. A fine spray of rubbing alcohol shot out toward the wolf. At the exact same time, he struck his metal lighter. Spark! A tiny orange spark hit the spray. But the moment it touched the wolf's magical purple mist, something amazing happened. Whoosh! The magic mist turned the fire into a giant, roaring wave of bright green flames. The air got super hot, making a loud boom, like a giant balloon popping. The crystal wolf shrieked. The sudden heat didn't hurt the wolf, but it made its glass armor crack and pop. The loud boom scared the creature half to death. With a loud yelp, the wolf turned